Okay, so what else can you do that you might want to do in 2D drawings? One of the things that you're probably going to run into that you may want to do at this stage is do some transformations. So by transformations, I'm referring to just moving the part from one place to another, or doing some arrays or some circular arrays, etc. If you want to lay this out on a large sheet, you may want to array the part and fill up the sheet. Okay, so one of the things I'm going to do, I'm just going to select all of the geometry for now, and you'll see that this triad appeared on the screen. Okay, and you can control that with this icon right here. It's called the manipulator. And that is just a widget that you can use to move the drawing around. Okay, you can easily move it in the y-axis, in the x-axis, etc. And you can also rotate it any axis. Okay, so I'm going to escape out of that. So also, as far as transformations, we have an actual menu for that. When you select your geometry, you'll see that there is an extra menu that appears in VisualCAD called Transform. So if you select that, you see a menu. All of these commands are operating on the geometry that you have previously selected. So I just selected all of the geometry. Okay. So again, it's got the basic options. You can move it from one point to another. That's pretty straightforward. You can rotate it, you can scale it,